Hello friends, Tony here, so welcome back. In the previous video we worked with the number type, and here in the documentation of TypeScript we have the primitives string, number and boolean. So we worked with string, number. Now let's start and work with the boolean. Okay, so boolean is for the two values true and false. And here we are in the numbers. I'm going to start on mine.ts file. And now a boolean type, as the name suggests, always holds values that are either true or false. And let's create some examples. I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to say let my boolean. We are going to assign that the boolean type, and by default I'm going to say it's equal to true. Okay. Now, of course, we can say my boolean to be equal to false, and as you can see we don't have any underline error. Also with a boolean we can add an expression which returns true or false. So if I say my boolean to be equal not with 100, but I'm going to say 100 is greater than 10, and that this expression is true. As you can see, we don't have any error here. Also, we can say, right here, so my boolean to be equal with, and I'm going to say is greater or equal, yes, and also my boolean to be equal with this one, yes. One more, I'm going to say my boolean, and I'm going to use type of, and 100 is a number. Yeah, as you can see, because 100 is a type of number, we have true, and then we have no error. Also, if I say my boolean to be equal with type of, and I'm going to say now not a number, yes, so this is false, but so here we have no error. And also I'm going to say my boolean to be equal with, and now I'm going to use type of 100 is a string, because we have added this in quotes, is true. One more thing, we can say my boolean to be equal with 100, this is false, and also we don't have any error. Also, if we add here, so I'm going to copy this and paste it down there, just say Tony, for example, this is false, but we don't have any error. So this is what we can do with a type of a boolean, but what we cannot do, so I'm going to say here what we can do with a boolean type. And now I'm going to start comment what we cannot do with a boolean type. Okay, now let's start. One important thing that you need to note over here is that undefined and null are not considered as falsy values. Okay, so you cannot assign undefined and null to the boolean value variable. So if I say my boolean and to be equal with null, yeah, we have an underline error, so type null is not assignable to type boolean. Also, if I say my boolean to be equal with undefined, also here we have type undefined is not assignable to type boolean. And let's show also some examples what we cannot do with the boolean type. So if I say my boolean to be equal with true, but here I have added this on quotes, which means this is a string now, and yeah, type string is not assignable to type boolean. Also, if I say my boolean to 100, which is this is a number, so now type number is not assignable to type boolean. And not if I say just an object, yeah, also here type object is not assignable to type Boolean. Okay, friends, that's it all about this video. So what we can do and what we cannot do with a Boolean type. So we learn Boolean type, and now let's create here on types a new file, and I'm going to name it boolean.ts, hit enter, and let's select all here and copy and paste it on this one. I'm going to save, close this one, remove from here and save. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget, if you like such a video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.